Cheese. It's a very tasty and extremely nutritious product which has been known to people for centuries. That's why specialists recommend to include it regularly into our ration. Cheese contains amino acids, vitamins and mineral salt, which is so important for one's body. Surely, all this is characteristic exclusively of high-quality products that can be produced only by professionals. To produce cheese, stock company Verkhnedvinsk cheese and butter making plant has been using only natural, high-quality milk, following carefully preserved recipes, modern technologies, talent and love of cheesemakers for more than 80 years. To some extent, this labor could be compared to a jeweler's trade. The main task set for the technologists of the enterprise is to artistically define the optimum combination of one's fantasy and customers' demands, as well as be aware of the latest tendencies and, if necessary, use ancient granny's recipes to meet a customer's requirements. Since the market is oversupplied with cheese products, specialists are constantly thriving to explore new ways for development. Nowadays, stock company Verkhnedvinsk cheese and butter making plant is one of the biggest producers and exporters of high-quality cheese in the Republic of Belarus. The assortment consists of more than 50 products, and the use of modern packaging devices allows to produce competitive products which are of high demand. To satisfy one's clients, the enterprise acquired the automated line of portion packaging of semi-hard cheese called Flow Pack. This is a modern, hermetic, compact type of packaging which allows the product to breathe, and it doesn't get damaged while being transported. The line of sliced cheese production has proved itself, as well as the line of smoked cheese production and grated chips. Though following the requirements of the customers, our specialists can produce cheese of a specific form and peculiar package. And modern technologies are sure to provide optimum storing conditions for cheese, preserving its freshness and initial quality. Having mastered the production of elite European cheese, specialists from Verkhnedvinsk started thinking about a new brand name which we can entrust the fate of the tastiest and obviously not a cheap product. And the enterprise is one of the few in Belarus which can produce elite cheese in big amounts, which requires specific approach. This way, cheese under the brand name Algot appeared on gourmets' tables. Cheese in strict and stylish packaging with the image of the Great Prince. According to the legend, Algot could personally taste cheese produced by Jan. Elite cheese Prince Algot is classical European cheese which is favored by customers all over the world. In national sayings, cheese always goes along with butter. That's why they treat the same way production of butter and spreads in the enterprise to make it an adequate representative of the product suite of stock company Verkhnedvinsk cheese and butter making plant. The restoration works at the butter workshop have been finished already, and the power capacity of the enterprise has been increased up to 12 tons of butter per day. The butter is produced following both classical recipes, including chocolate butter, and through adding taste aroma ingredients and mixtures of spices. The product line of butter and spreads is called Ulyanka. She's a fast, skilled and laborious young cheesemaker's assistant. The product is marketed as a real rural one, made with warmth and love. The company was the first one in Belarus which mastered the production of dry demineralized whey. Having reached the rated power level, the workshop is able to process 200 tons of raw products a day, which allows to receive 10 tons of valuable produce. Demineralized whey is an irreplaceable component for the production of infants' food, drinks, ice cream, processed cheese, confectionery and bakery products. It is widely used in pharmaceutical and cosmetological industries. The production line is equipped with foreign installations, and the process of demineralization and partition of the elements contained in whey is executed under the influence of electrical fields. This method allows to produce products with unique qualities bearing high nutritious and biological value. Matters of quality control are constantly monitored at the enterprise. This systematic work implies interaction between all the departments and services. Input control of the products delivered and additional materials, operational control at all the stages of the production process. All this is executed by the specialists of the company's laboratory certified for technical competence. The control over the safety parameters is realized at all the stages of the life cycle of the products. The technical basis of the laboratory is equipped with all the necessary measurement means, testing and auxiliary equipment to hold researching. Verkhnedvinsk cheese and butter making plant loves its customers and takes care of them. The nearby village called Yanina, located literally at the entrance to the factory, has got a branded cafe and a shop. Here, at the very border with Latvia, Verkhnedvinsk cafe called Sovkusem, meaning with taste in English, is the first one to meet guests. That's why it's quite difficult not to step away from the main road to take some rest and have a snack. Moreover, the name of the cafe proves itself. The interior is designed with taste, and the names of dishes on the menu offer gastronomical pleasure. And obviously, all the guests and citizens of the district are sure to drop at the shop by young cheesemaker. The rich assortment of cheese in a spacious shopping hall provides embarrassment of riches. The products are always fresh here, with a wide display of different kinds at reasonable special prices. Stock company Verkhnedvinsk cheese and butter making plant is a prosperous, dynamically developing company open for cooperation, having proved itself as a reliable partner and deliverer. Its success formula lies in the combination of a high quality of products and reasonable prices. Today's priorities of the enterprise include further acquisition of new technologies, increasing the production amount at the expense of creating and producing new products, continuous joint work with agricultural producers to increase the quality of raw materials. And for sure, cheese makers from Verkhnedvinsk don't mean to stop, since real mastership lies in the ability to invent and surprise one's customers with new tastes of the well-known product.